Plumbing inspectors flag kitchen traps and vents violations because these parts are crucial for stopping leaks, odors, and clogs from messing up your kitchen's plumbing system. So, first off, you want to make sure all your plumbing drains and vents are installed right. No leaks or blockages allowed. Those old school S-traps, drum traps, or loops? Yeah, they are a big no-no now and need replacing with proper P-traps under a plumbing permit. Flexible waste connectors might seem handy, but they are actually banned because they can cause leaks or backups. When you have a garbage disposal, always install a P-trap directly under it instead of using some random pieced-together setup. Also, it's super important to use a disposal drain that's designed for your unit. You want to check that the water level in the disposal is right. Remember, the bottom part is just the motor, so water shouldn't be pooling there. This keeps everything flowing smoothly and prevents nasty smells or backups. If you're not sure, call a licensed plumber who knows these codes and can fix it without turning your kitchen into a mess. One of the biggest mistakes people make with plumbing traps and vents is using banned S-traps or drum traps, which often cause improper venting and sewer gas smells. Fix this by swapping them out with code-approved P-traps. Another common issue is relying on flexible waste connectors that can leak and cause water damage. Just replace those with rigid piping. Lastly, many folks don't install the P-trap directly under the garbage disposal or use the right disposal drain, leading to clogs and water level problems. The fix is simple: use a proper disposal drain and make sure the P-trap is correctly positioned. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place where homeowners can easily find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and follow code. Contractors also benefit because it helps them connect with more clients looking for quality work without the hassle.